What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Life of J&D. You already know who it is, Joel.
I'm Danielle.
And sorry we're not able to post last week. I was busy with work stuff.
So for today's video, we're gonna do kind of like a what you need to start a YouTube channel. And it's not really what you need, because all you really need is something to film yourself. But this is what we have. Actually, first off, we just use our iPhones to film. So we don't have no fancy camera.
She has the iPhone XS and I have the iPhone XS. It's real easy to record with those phones because they're so smooth. There's an option on the phone where you could set it to like 4K, and whenever you're on 4K, the video seems more smooth. And plus for like situations like right now where you can't really go out and travel and record stuff, it's real convenient because all we do is put it on our ring light that we bought, and it's just stationary. But I will just show you. We're just going to show you what we use with our equipment starting off. So first is this GoPro that we bought like last year.
Yeah, in the summer.
Yeah, we bought the case because, you know, since we were going to be traveling and all of this, so we wanted to protect our stuff. But yeah, we got the GoPro 6. Let me show you guys. GoPro Hero 6. We use that for our, of course, like our action cameras or underwater and stuff like that. And then this case is pretty cool because it comes with all these little compartments where you can store stuff.
Yeah, and you can style it the way you want.
Yeah, you're able to change pretty much this whole compartment right here to how whatever you have, because you could have, of course, some people have like 6 different GoPros. You could change this to like move to like different spots, you know. And it also comes with this little bag where you could put like your lenses and stuff like that. It's protected. Have this this little snorkel lens, so that when you're deep underwater, it like saves the color of the footage. Comes in this little nice GoPro bag. Put it in here, and I also put like my charging cables and stuff like that. And also I actually had to buy 2 extra GoPro batteries. We also have this little GoPro handle. It's where the GoPro goes on top of. It sits on like this. Just, you know, record. And also this thing, when say like if you're in the ocean or whatever, or the swimming pool, it'll start to float if you drop it or something. So that way your GoPro just doesn't go all the way down to the water. So we got that GoPro, and then also this little headband where the GoPro goes on. I'm not gonna put it on because I'm gonna mess up my hair. We got my niece's party to go to, but yeah, it goes on. The GoPro just goes on like this, like that. Then you put it on your head. If you saw our Hawaii video, you'd be able to see me with my GoPro, this thing on. The next is this stabilizer that we got at Best Buy.
The what?
Stabilizer. A gimbal. So it's pretty cool. It just smooths out the footage. It's what we shot in Seattle with. Comes with a nice cool case, and also like this little it's called strap, I guess, so that you could carry it around like a backpack. That way you don't like have your hands all full or whatever. Open it, and this is what the gimbal looks like. So it's pretty cool because, I mean, obviously I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what a gimbal is, but if you don't, pretty much all it does is you put your phone on this device and it'll pretty much, you know, the phone's not on there right now, but it'll just stabilize the video. So say if you're walking, you know, it'll stay in its like same horizon, I guess, because if you're walking without it, the video's gonna be like that. We have this, you know, like to make our lives easier, make some more cinematic videos.
And then of course, like you guys were gonna say, we did get a ring light, and we'll link everything, well, as much as we can, down below. And then last but not least, we have our MacBook Pro. So we use this to edit and post. Yeah, so to edit, we actually just use iMovie.
And it's pretty good for beginners, you know, because it's pretty much the basic stuff that you need. And us together, we're learning. We already have some idea how to edit, but we're learning together how to edit so that way our videos can seem better. If you look back at our first video, you could tell that our video is like, you know, like way different. We decided to get the MacBook Pro, the newest one, only because it has like it's just better for editing, you know. We're planning to get a Final Cut Pro, which is a better editing software, but that costs a pretty penny. Once we get that, you'll probably see the difference on how different our videos will be. Pretty much all you need to do is get a phone, get a small camera or whatever, just start recording yourself. Just do whatever you think, you know, people would watch.
Best advice we could give is just to start. So even us, we kept putting it off and we're like, oh, we'll wait till we get a laptop. We'll wait till we get a camera. Just start. Yeah,
even if you guys don't have all this equipment, you just have your phone, you're waiting to save up for a laptop, I would recommend to start recording, because you could tell in our first video we were like awkward because it's
our
just
first time.
Yeah, it's so weird talking to a camera, you know. It's like there's nobody there. You're used to talking like one-on-one communication with a human, but you know, as you start recording, you get used to it. So even if you're not gonna post those videos, you know, you could talk about, I don't know, something real simple, you know, just to be able to conversate with a camera. But yeah, that's something I really wish we could have done. Just, you know, like record ourselves, even if we're not gonna post it, because it's just super weird. But now we're getting more comfortable with it.
So yeah, that's all that we have as of right now. We do plan on getting a camera soon. Yeah, but thanks for watching. If you guys have any other questions for us, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure to check us out on social media, which will also be down below. But make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.